students, we complete our chapter 20 and after that chapter number 21 and chapter number 22 have removed your course. Now we start the chapter 23. The source of water which are useful for the human of which are likely to be used are called the water resources. Water is used in every area of life. Geographically, Rajasthan is the largest state in the country, but availability of the surface water is only 1.16% of the India and taking groundwater only 1.72% of Rajasthan is the state which received the lowest rainfall in the country. There have been the 43 famine in state in the last 61 year. पिछले 60 साल में राजस्थान में 43 यानी 43 अकाल पड़ चुके हैं. अब आप सोच लीजिए एवरेज निकल के आता है हर 3 साल में 2 अकाल पड़ते हैं राजस्थान में. It is the extremely difficult to get drinking water in desert area. Water resources are not almost important in Rajasthan. Water is life. Most of the water resources in the state are limited to the southeastern part. Presently, the annual ability of the water per person in the state is 780 cubic meter, whether it should be at least 1000 cubic meter. राजस्थान में पर पर्सन जो पानी का उपलब्ध होता है एक साल में वो 780 क्यूबिक मीटर है, जबकि मिनिमम कितना होना चाहिए 1000 क्यूबिक मीटर होना ही चाहिए, लेकिन अपने आप बहुत कम है. The ability of it is continuously decreasing और ये तो ability है ये भी धीरे धीरे करके कम होती चली जा रही है. The country has 51% fluoride and 42 salinity affected area in Rajasthan. पूरे हिंदुस्तान का यानी कंप्लीट हिंदुस्तान में सिर्फ 51% फ्लोराइड जो पानी है वो इंडिया में मतलब राजस्थान में पाया जाता है, और पूरे हिंदुस्तान का यानी होल इंडिया का जो खारा पानी है सैलाइन वाटर है उसका 43% अपने राजस्थान में पाया जाता है. तो दोनों ही कंडीशन में राजस्थान की स्थिति बहुत ही ज्यादा खराब है. Rajasthan water resources can be divided in two parts. First is surface water resources and second is the underground water resources. So first we discuss about the surface water resources. So rivers, lake, pond are the main source of surface water. These sources are natural, but their water is widely used by digging canal. चंबल बेसिन, लूनी बेसिन, माही, बाणगंगा, बेडस, गंभीरी, सुकरी, काली, सिंध, परवन, मेज आर द मेन रिवर ऑफ द स्टेट. देखिए नेचुरल वाटर पॉन्ड और रिवर होती हैं, लेकिन उनसे नहरें बनाकर, नहरें ह्यूमन मेड होती हैं, आर्टिफिशियल होती हैं. पूरे इन नदियों का रिवर से उनका पानी का इस्तेमाल राजस्थान में किया जाता है. अगर अपन राजस्थान की रिवर्स की बात करें तो चंबल, बनास, बेडज, सुकड़ी, जबाई, गंभीरी, ये सारी की सारी राजस्थान की नदियां हैं मेन जिनका इस्तेमाल होता है. The availability of the water of these rivers is used either directly from these rivers or by the taking of canal from the dam estate on the rivers. The important plan of the linking the river to get of the rid of the problem irrigation and drinking water it is also proposed in the state Rajasthan, which encases this law of linking river has become the first state of the country. नदियों को या रिवर्स को आपस में लिंक करने का जो अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी का प्रोग्राम था उसको स्टार्ट करने वाला राजस्थान पहला स्टेट था जो वसुंधरा राजे जी ने इसको शुरू किया था, लेकिन वो बाद में कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया, सरकार बदल गई थी। तो राजस्थान पहला स्टेट है जिसने नदियों को आपस में जोड़ने का कोशिश किया। चलिए, lake are also an important mean of the water supply of in Rajasthan. The state has salt water and the sweat water lake, out of which the sweet water lake provide water for drinking water and irrigation. The main fresh water lake are the Jaisalmer, Pichola and Fateh Sagar. These are located in Udaipur. राजसमंद में है, आनंद सागर और पुष्कर अजमेर में है, सिलीसेड अलवर में है, कोलायत बीकानेर में है, नामलखा लेक बूंदी में है, गोप सागर डूंगरपुर में है, कालियाना बालसमंद जोधपुर में है, बम बैराठा भरतपुर में है, रामगढ़ जयपुर में है, एंड नकी लेक माउंट आबू में सिरोही में पड़ता है। द पॉन्ड इज ऑल्सो गुड सोर्स ऑफ सरफेस वाटर। दे आर अबाउट द 450 big pond in Rajasthan. Groundwater resources. This resources has been the source of water harvesting for the century. Present the 70% of the total irrigation area is irrigated with the well and tube well in the state. Nearly 70% drinking water resources in the state is also based on the groundwater. Water conservation, protection and rational use of the resources so as to avoid losses and resource or prevent wastage. This process is known the resource conservation. Participation of citizen, society, government in the water conservation is absolutely essential. For the water conservation, we should not throw industrial waste in the reservoir. Do not wash cloth and not to take bath near the water source. Remove the wet growth up to the water. Khadin, Kudin, Kundi, Kui, Nadi, Johar, Pond. These are the old water harvesting systems name. Are the conventional method of the water harvesting and storage. We will have to protect these mean of the conservation of water resources. Rapidly use of the water has caused big problem. Water can be saved by the adopting of the following method of the water conservation. Adopting the new method of irrigation, the rational use of the groundwater, control over vegetation destruction, rainwater harvesting, reuse of wastewater after treatment, change in the agriculture method and the crop pattern, construction of a small pond, dam and the anicuts. The Amritam Jalam campaigning. ये कैंपेनिंग राजस्थान पत्रिका के द्वारा शुरू की गई थी। अमृतम जलम पत्रिका एज द एफर्ट वाटर कंजर्वेशन। Now we discuss about the irrigation. In the absence of rain, artificial supply of the water to the land to crop is called the irrigation. Irrigation is the part of the basic infrastructure for crop production in the Rajasthan. The large area of land under the irrigation out of the total irrigated area in the Shri Ganganagar and the lowest part in the Rajsamand district. In Rajasthan, well, tube wells, canals, tanks are the main source of irrigation. Well and tube well. It is the main source of irrigation in the state of the 66% area out of the total irrigated area of the state is irrigated by the well and tube wells. Most of the irrigation by the mode is done in Jaipur and Alwar. Due to the ability of the fresh water in the Chandan tube well in Jaisalmer district, our place is called the Ghara ऑफ थार। इसको बेटा जी चांदन नलकूप जो जैसलमेर है, यहाँ पे मीठा पानी पाया गया है बड़ी मात्रा में, इसलिए इसको थार का घड़ा कहा जाता है। कैनाल 33% एरिया ऑफ द स्टेट इज irrigated by the canal. Ganganagar district has the first place in canal irrigation. Now we discuss about the pond. The 0.7% of the part of the state irrigated by the mean of the irrigation. This is the major source of the irrigation in the southern and the southeastern part of the state, and irrigation by the tank. Bhilwara district on the first place and the Udaipur district on the second place in irrigating in just 0.3%. Area is done by other mean. Major multi-purpose project of Rajasthan: Chambal project, Bhakra Nagar project, Vyas project, Mahi Bajaj Sagar project. Large project of Rajasthan: Indira Gandhi Canal project, Ganga Canal, Gang नहर है ये बीकानेर वाला, भरतपुर कैनाल, गुड़गांव कैनाल, भीका भाई सागरमल कैनाल, जाखम प्रोजेक्ट, सिद्धमुख नोहर प्रोजेक्ट, बीसलपुर प्रोजेक्ट, नर्मदा कैनाल प्रोजेक्ट और ईसरदा प्रोजेक्ट. अदर प्रोजेक्ट: जवाई, मेघ, पंचल, मानसी, वैकल, पर्वती, गंभीरी और अरुणा. Here we study the sum of the state's major irrigation project. Indira Gandhi Canal project. One campaigning of the project, it will be the largest project in the world. It is also called the lifeline of the state of Marusagar. Earlier it is the named as the Rajasthan Canal. It was named Indira Gandhi Canal project on the 2nd November 1984. It is the important river valley project of the state. The project of these are to provide water for the irrigation, drinking water, animal husbandry, fisheries and the other use of the western part of the Rajasthan. The suggestion is constructed. It was given in the 1948 by the Kumar Sen by the other irrigation engineer of Bikaner. The main objective of the construction of this canal was to use the 86 lakh acre cubic feet of the water allotted to the Rajasthan from the water of the Ravi and Banas river. After the approval of the central government, the work of the Harike Barrage was started in 1952 at the confluence of the Satluj and the Byas river. The canal was built from the Harike Barrage of Gadra Road in Barmera. बाड़मेर. इंदिरा गांधी नहर की शुरुआत सतलज और ब्यास नदी जहां पर मिलती है, हरिके बैराज पंजाब में बनाया गया, वहां से निकाला गया और इसको बाड़मेर के गडरा रोड तक लाया गया. प्रोजेक्ट ये है कि इसको आगे बढ़ाकर, मतलब अभी तक गडरा रोड तक ही पहुंचा है, इसको आगे बढ़ाकर कांडला बंदरगाह से जोड़ा जाए और फिर बड़े आराम से उत्तर हिमालय की नदियों को पश्चिम में स्थित अरब सागर से जोड़ दिया जाए. और बड़ी अच्छी बात यह रहेगी कि छोटे जो जहाज हैं वो बड़ी आसानी से जो उत्तर के राज्य हैं वहां तक पहुंच पाएंगे और उनको पोर्ट की फैसिलिटीज मिल पाएंगी. चलिए, कब होगा कह नहीं सकते. तो फ्रॉम द हरिके बैराज द हनुमानगढ़ मसीता वाले टू 204 किलोमीटर इज द फीडर कैनाल. ए पार्ट ऑफ द कैनाल फ्रॉम वेयर द वाटर इज नॉट यूज्ड फॉर एनी पर्पज इज कॉल्ड द फीडर कैनाल. फीडर कैनाल केवल मेन जो कैनाल है उसमें पानी को सप्लाई करने का काम करती है. इस फीडर कैनाल का दूसरा कोई भी यूज नहीं लिया सकता है. Is length of the main canal with the feeder 649 km. The length of the distributaries are the 9060 km, which irrigated about the 18.72 lakh hectare area. The end of the canal is currently up to the Gadra road. From here, it is the proposed to connect Kanda port in Gujarat to make the navigable to the small ship and boats. The project has been implemented in two phases. First phase to connect the 340 km long distributaries and the irrigated 5.53 lakh hectare area. Second part, construction the 256 kilometer long main canal and the 5,112 kilometer long distributaries and the irrigation in 19.63 lakh hectare area. In the Indira Gandhi Canal project, 30% of total irrigated is done through lift canal and the 70% through the distributary. Because if the natural slope of the Thar Desert is towards west, the 8 lift line have been built to bring water to the eastern part. These are the following. गंधेरी नौहर सेवा, benefit of this canal, direct benefit in the from the irrigation, production of the commercial crop, growth of the new town and the establishment of the new business market, development of fisheries and the animal husbandry, benefit of the present bull business, 9.5 lakh ton of the additional food gain, production possible, control on spread of the desert, development and posture from the forest area, development of the barren land is possible. We discuss the next topic, Chambal project in next class. Thank you.